Hello guys, today I want to build something again cause why not? Yes, that is my dearie book. Or something I forgot the name. You might ask why I use this cheap AI sound. Because I don't want my real depression of vocal ruin that channel. Also for background sound. I'm a search place to build. Down the elevator we go.
I am under the water. Please help me.
Anyway. Back that hurt.
Salmon.
I want to build it right there, but I'm lazy to cut the tree. Oh no! Who cut the tree? Obviously not me. You can dig however big you want to, and whatever material you want. I use cobblestone because I have lots of them. I mine the mountain flats so I can build. That's why I have stone leftovers. In this build you need the block, you need stairs, slabs, fence for the main and pots, flowers, glowstone, lantern. Make it exist first, then fix it. Backing ugly sheet. This is not a tutorial.